Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum student. How are you student? Hope you are all fine. Last week we studied about learning. We learned different languages, various subjects in this lesson. Now today we will start our new lesson about good habits like living together. Living together is a good habit. We cannot live alone. We want to spend time with others like our family and friends. Without family and friends, we feel lonely or sad. We have to live together to spend a happy life. We have to follow some rules like sharing, taking turns, queuing, and feelings. Without following these rules, we cannot spend a happy life. For living together, the first rule which is mentioned in the lesson is sharing. You know sharing? Sharing means caring. It means a portion of something which you give to others. When you see someone who doesn't have something that you have, you give some portion of it to him or her. Like in classroom, you share your lunch, pencils, books, water and many other things with your class fellows. Think of your family. Your parents do not eat all the food themselves. They share it with the whole family. Next important rule to living together happily, taking turns. Children, when you go to a garden, many children wants to take rides. So what do? You know what do you do? Remember, you wait for your turn. Taking turns means if many people want same thing, they take turns. One uses it first, then the next, and so on. Children, do you take turns? When? Remember student, when you come to me for getting your notebooks checked, I say come to me one by one student. Now the third important rule is queuing. We have to use queue in schools, malls, airports, railway station, banks, bus stop, etc. Do you know what is a queue? A queue is a line of people waiting. For example, in school, what should we do when you are going to the assembly, when you are going to the canteen for food? We should make a queue for showing that we are disciplined people. What might happen if people didn't form a queue? What happened? Everywhere, every place we would go, everything will seem to be out of its place and disordered. Have you seen the counter when you go to Lulu? At the end of the shopping, you stand in a queue and wait of your turn. Last most important rule of living together is feelings. Feelings means an emotion or reaction such as sad, anger, happy, hungry, confident, proud, jealous, sorry, etc. Student, when you get good marks in class, what is your feeling? You feel happy or excited, you feel proud. For example, I have 3 kids. Sometimes my kids want to play with the same toy. They fight over it, and the child that gets the toy is happy while the other are sad. Student, hopefully you understood this lesson. We read about sharing, queuing, taking turns and feelings today. Children, do the reading practice of book page number 15 and 16, and I also hope you will follow these rules in your everyday life. By following these rules, you represent your school, your family, your country as one disciplined country. And you will also set a good example for other people to follow, for example, your younger siblings. थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफिज़।